What's up guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you're all doing well. This is about the top 15 themes, and honestly guys, it's not just the top 15, and I'm going to show you how you can go ahead and bask yourself in loads of themes to go check out. So guys, stick around till the end of the video and I'm going to show you exactly where to go get these themes from. And this video is just about a few of the ones that I've actually liked. I just put a poll and I see most of you guys wanted to see a theme video, so here you go guys. I'm going to cover the rest of them right after this, and let's get straight into it. This is not in any particular order, so it's just gonna be random. It's not about the best to the worst or the worst to the best. It's just gonna be random, so we're gonna go through it just one by one. Alright guys, so the first thing first, let's go for Ghost of Tsushima. It's a dynamic theme, so I'm really focused on dynamic themes. I really like the sound and the dynamic themes over here. So guys, as you can see, here we are, and this theme is pretty cool. I totally love leaves flying around, which is actually a pretty cool sight with the sunset in the background. There is a samurai right at the bottom, and the background music has a good little flute melody in the back. And as you can see here, when you go up to this menu, it kind of zooms out slowly and it pans back in gently, and that's what I like about this theme. It's pretty cool. I have a pretty good collection of icons over here. It's all circular except of course your profile, so you need to go ahead and change your profile picture to whatever you like, and I probably will cover a video about that maybe sooner or later, but for now let's move on. Do you guys want a beautiful girl staring at you while you game? Okay, well, not when you game, but when you just open your PS4, have a pretty girl stare at you with gorgeous eyes, well, this theme is for you. Check this out. So every time you go out, it actually zooms out, and this background music and this particular theme kind of has this really slow build up, and it gets really more, you know, interesting. And I'm gonna see if I can keep that on for a little bit longer so you can actually hear it. I'm gonna wait for the point where it actually gets really nice. There we go. Got some beats to rock to. And that's actually pretty nice music to have in the background while you have some gorgeous eyes staring at you. Well, that's if you like it. Alright, moving on to the next theme. Alright, so now we have Uncharted 4. For all you Uncharted 4 fans out there, it starts off right here and actually has a really swift movement. It's kind of cute with those birds flying around. Very good details over there. You can hear the birds chirping and the clouds moving on top. And I love this movement. Every time you move to the lower menu, it just goes zoom straight into it and then goes right out. It's kind of cool. And if you actually look into the settings, as you can see, it's all this aqua blue, and I'm probably bad with color names, but it's got this really nice aqua blue color right here. It's kind of cool. Seems like a very relaxing theme to go for. Alright, moving on to the next theme. This is Days Gone for all you Days Gone fans out there. I actually got the game. I'm kind of checking it out right here. But yeah, all you Days Gone fans, it's like the proposal scene or something like that. And it's got these really interesting icons as well. And I love this way the whole 3D movement is like if you go out and it kind of zooms in through the bushes. You can see the bushes kind of blurred out on the back. Good details with the sun and the waterfalls. And it's got some really calming music in the background too, so if that's what you guys are into, you guys can go and check this one out as well. I'm not sure if you can hear the music. I'm going to pump the music up a little bit here so you guys can hear it for a few seconds. Really soothing music guys, really soothing music. So moving on, let's move on to the next theme. Alright guys, now we are with Hellblade theme, and this theme is so cool. You actually have fire burning in the background, and even I love this dynamic zooming over here. We kind of have a different view, go up and down, but you do have the background on fire and you have voices talking to you. Kind of creepy, but still pretty cool. That little burning tree in the background is actually cool. Moving on to the next one. Okay, now this theme is Metro Exodus, and now as you can see there's a dragons flying around. One flew away, but there's still one there. I love this whole zoom out with this 3D feeling of the guy in the middle and then this tunnel that we're in, or if it's a plane wreck. Well, as you zoom in and, you know, as you keep going up and down, you can see that little dynamic movement. Good attention detail and nice snowfall as well. Oh, and the dragon is here and gone again. Great. But yeah, you do have these icons turned yellow now, and you have a different sound to it. Hey guys, go check this theme out as well. It has some good dynamic movements over here. This is what I like about this one. Moving on to the next theme. Here's the Order 1886. You got a few different icons, different over here, kind of like this old school. Has a little leather background with some metal clippings on top. But as you can see here, you do have pretty much zoomed into the picture. Once you move up, it's going to zoom completely out. And there you go. Got some good mist or smoke kind of flying around, could be the war dust, and pretty interesting icons over here. It does have this pretty interesting zoom that goes all the way in every time you go up and down. So this is another theme you guys can check out, and moving on to the next one. Alright guys, so here's another Days Gone theme, but however I wouldn't say it's so dynamic. It's just kind of just makes them disappear, and that's about it. You have a horde of frozen zombies trying to get to you, but they will never will, and that's pretty much it with this theme. I just want to just quickly mention it anyway for all you Days Gone fans. Just a quick mention. Yep, moving on to the next one. Yeah, if you want two zombies just sitting around in your screen, just staring at you and just being helpless, well, this is the theme for you. This is the Walking Dead theme, and it got some good, pretty lightning in the background. Good details over there. And yeah, this is the Walking Dead theme, guys. Go check it out if you like to. Oh, and there's thundering in the background. Okay, so this theme is the Wets, and it's about soldiers in America. I totally like this theme because of this very thoughtful idea. So you have the soldier in the background in a silhouette, you know, holding up a salute. But then once you go up here, the hand goes down. Go back down, hand goes up. Pretty interesting. I'm gonna make him freeze right there. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna. Okay, yeah, I kind of got him to do something there. But yeah, that's that's actually a pretty cool idea. So you go down, he drops a salute right there. Go back up, he takes it away. Pretty cool theme. You got the American flag in the background waving around, which is awesome too. And yeah, guys, this is pretty cool. Moving on to the next one. For some reason, I really like this theme. Check it out. Okay, this is so cool. I love the details in this one. You see this little Alien XCOM theme in the background, and this is kind of like just staring at you, and it's like made up of skulls right now, but the moment you go down has a little quick transition which comes back to real faces, real people, and that is crazy. I totally love it, just standing there and staring at you with this very auspicious background music in the background, and you go up and it turns into all skeletons. It's a pretty cool theme, you know, something I would like to stick around for a bit and kind of keep changing around. Alright, so moving on to the next theme. Okay, this is theme Siberia 3, and this theme is actually cool with the dynamics. I love the whole change in atmosphere every time you switch over. So if you can see over here, you have the snow, and you have this picture of this girl who just kind of slowly moving to the left and right, if you notice that very detail. If you go up, has a quick change in scene, and you have another scene right here. I've used this theme in a few of my videos, and it's actually pretty cool. And you guys can check it out too if you want something pretty chilled out. A very calm background music for this one, kind of matching with the scenes, and yeah, you have an exhibition fair in the background. So yep, check this theme out as well. Moving on to the next one. So this theme basically turns your TV into an aquarium. If you look around, you can see all these different fishes from Finding Nemo, multiple of Finding Nemos, and these crazy big ones. And then check this one out. Oh, and this one doesn't have any background music. It's just gonna be bubbles in the corners. All right, so you can see a shark come by. Okay, here's the big fish trying to eat the shark. And a bigger fish comes and gets that one. Is that it's Godzilla? No, it's not Godzilla. But yep, you have bigger fish out there trying to get smaller fish. So yep, they're absolutely right. So that's that theme there. And then moving on to the next one. This is Just Cause 4 dynamic theme. I wouldn't say it's too dynamic. Just some thunder in the background. You can see the little particles flying around with the thunderers. But just some smooth movements here with the dude here, and then the trees below as well, and the one, if you notice, on the very left corner, appearing and disappearing, giving some good 3D movement to this one. But yeah, if you guys like Just Cause and you really like this one here, so go for it. You can go check it out as well. And finally, we have God of War, guys. Ah, gosh. For all you God of War fans, you're gonna love this. Like, the background music is so nostalgic to, you know, people who played this game. You have the snake in the back. You can see dragons flying around the back, and the water kind of slowly moving. But I wish there was more movement to this. So you guys can check this out as well. And guys, just as a quick mention, I do have Call of Duty Modern Warfare installed, and let me tell you, it is amazing. You have a camping mode you can play as well. If you guys are interested about that, drop me a comment and I'll definitely go and, you know, make a video on how to get this game. So guys, those are the themes I'm presently using, and these are just about the top 15 that I'm using right now. So if you're curious where to get these themes from, so guys, this is your one-stop solution to get all the themes that you want. 703 permanent themes. When I say permanent, you don't need to be jailbroken for the themes to be applied. So it is going to be permanently there even when you restart your PS4. Okay, and that's about 10 GB worth of themes. That's insane. So guys, if you're looking at the theme list, you can see how many themes are there. I haven't really gone through all of them yet, but there's loads of themes for you guys to go and explore, and let me know in the comments which ones you like, which I have not covered or checked out. Oh, by the way, you need to be logged in to Dock Software. So as you can see here, I am logged in. So once you log in, you will have to hit the like button, or once you hit the like button, that's when you'll be able to see this. Just copy this particular code. You just have to decode it. It's a base. So if you just type down, it's just a base 64 code. So just type down base 64 decode, and you can probably use the first link that comes up. If you just paste that particular thing and click on decode, there you go. You get the mega link right there. So you can just go and open that up, try and access that particular page, and here you go, guys. Give it a second. It's gonna go ahead. It's an entire folder of all crazy themes. In fact, you do have a little preview of how the theme would look, and you guys can totally go check it out. For example, this is the 4K series with the gorgeous eyes. That's the one. So likewise, you guys can go and check out every single one here. I'm going to put a list of all the 15 themes I talked about in the description. Go check it out, and you can go ahead and get it one by one and see which one you like, and let me know in the comments if there's something that you actually like better. So there you go, guys. There's all the crazy amount of themes. There's about 700 themes that you guys can go and check out, and that is insane. Alright guys, so the next video I'm going to go ahead and cover up PS4 Trainer, and we're going to look into that in the very next video. Until then, you guys take care and have a great week. I'll see you soon. Cheers.